Welcome to the Garrett County Schools COVID-19 dashboard. Thanks for joining me today. This is a new feature we're going to be adding to our web page. We'll make it available each day as we update the information based on information that we receive from the Kentucky Department of Public Health and from our local health department. I wanted to walk you through this so that you would have an understanding. I'm going to show it to you in 3 different formats just so that you can see it and anticipate what you could look at if you wanted to take a peek each day. So we'll lead off with the fact that this is the title, the Garrett County Schools COVID-19 Dashboard. And I've put some general information on today just to share this with you. But as you scroll down, if you're looking at this on a traditional computer screen, you'd be able to see in this area that we are going to give you the date that we're looking at. So we've put together one that's an anticipated one for today, Monday, October the 5th. It would be an afternoon reporting. Then here we would give you the total number of new cases in Garrett County for the past 7 days. It doesn't matter what day you're looking at, it would be those 7 days previously. So we anticipate, let's say, a 28 today. That would mean that there had been 28 new cases in Garrett County over the last 7 days. And then using a formula created by the state, we would determine what the current incident rate for Garrett County is. This is based on if there was a population of 100,000. So what you do in each day's situation is you take the 7-day total and you divide that number by 7, and then you divide it by the population in Garrett County. For us, that's 17,666. When you get that figure, you multiply it by 100,000, and that would tell you if we had 100,000 folks in the county that we would have averaged 22 cases for that day, or actually 22.64236. Based on that, KDE and the Kentucky Department of Public Health have put together a matrix that we're supposed to use at the school level, at the district level, to determine where we are on moving forward with in-person learning. And based on these numbers, we would be in what's called the orange category. And you can see here that that's between 10 and 25 cases per 100,000. So one of the things that we'll be doing is giving you a link then to this instructional matrix. You could come to this point and click on this, and it would take you in and show you what each of the 4 categories are. There's a green, a yellow, an orange, and a red. Green is when you have less than 1 case per 100,000. Yellow is 1 to 10 per 100,000. Orange is 10 to 25, and the red is above 25. This video will be linked here, so you'll be able to see that to make sure that you know what you're looking at if you have any questions. Again, this is what it would look like if you were looking at it in a traditional laptop or desktop computer. If you were looking at this in a tablet form, it would be a little more condensed. All the information is the same, just looks a little bit different when you go in to see it. Not a whole lot different in the layout, just a little bit different. So I wanted you to see that. Then also, if you were looking at this on your phone, obviously the information doesn't spread as much, and so you could simply scroll through and see each piece of information. The links will still be there and be available for you. We hope this information will help answer questions as you hear conversations about school districts being in a particular color, or when you hear about us needing to make a decision. This is what we'll be referencing back. This information is available on the Kentucky Department of Public Health's website as well, but we thought if we put it in this location for you, it might make it a bit simpler. So I hope this information is valuable to you and helpful as you move forward. Thanks for joining us.